Hello everyone, and you are so much welcome to today's tutorial, and I still remain your shoemaking made easy tutor Odurole Mojibola. Today we are going to be looking at this beautiful ring toe baby girl sandal. Now I need you to understand that today is going to be a unique one because I'm going to be featuring one of my students. Please let me know if you like to actually be featured on my YouTube channel. I'm so excited to have her on my channel today, so I need you to just sit back and I'm gonna be right back.
Hello everyone, you're welcome to Jibbyfemforte online tutorial, and I'm Peculiar Onyeke. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to create this back pattern of our ring toe baby girl sandal. For now we are going to be learning how to create the back pattern only, because I want you to first of all get a clue of how the back pattern looks like and how to create it before we go over to the front pattern. And for this sandal, the back pattern, we are going to be needing our paper and fold it into two. Let's try to fold it into two. We'll be needing this part of this paper for our ring toe baby girl sandal. First of all, let's try to measure our last. I'll be creating it for a baby girl that wears size 29. So I'm going to be measuring from this point to this point. It's actually 11 centimeters. I hope you can see it, almost at the same position. So it's 11 centimeters, and out of this 11 centimeters we are going to be minusing 2 centimeters from it. So if you minus 2 centimeters from 11 centimeters, you actually have 11 and 10, so we actually have 9 centimeters. Our width that we're going to be using is 9 centimeters. So let's check for this part. From this part down, we are going to be using 7 centimeters. 7 centimeters for this other part. We said for the second part of the length we measured, we said it's 7 centimeters. Here's our 7 centimeters. And then for the other part, we said it's 11 centimeters, and we said we are going to be removing 2. So after removing our 2, we have 9 centimeters. Now we are going to be dividing our 9 centimeters into 2. And when you divide it into 2, we actually have 4.5. We have 4.5. So we are going to be drawing our 4.5 from this point. Here is our 4.5. I hope you can see what I'm drawing from this point. After dividing into 2, we have 4.5 here. And under here, we also have our 4.5 centimeters. So I'm going to be using my ruler to just try and trace it and make sure it's a straight line down. And also this part, I'm going to try to trace it. Yes. So this is how it looks like. I'm going to be increasing all around this. I'm going to increase it by 2 centimeters each. 2 centimeters each. So I'm going to be using my ruler to increase it. Don't forget, 2 centimeters each. My ruler did not actually start from 0. There's a little extension. Hope you can see it. This little addition. So I'm not going to start from here. I'm going to start from exactly 0. So our 2 centimeters goes like this. Now to this part, we have our 2 centimeters. Try to create a straight line of any round shape of your choice. This is actually the cover of our roll-on, so we can decide to use this for it. Any round shape you use, you still get the same result, just that it should not be wider than necessary. I'm going to place it this way. Make sure it's touching this edge and touching this edge where your pen can still reach. So I'm not going to be using this container. Let me try using this for you so you understand. See, this is what I got. And even if I'm still using this shape, I'll still get the same thing. Can you see that it's still the same? Now I'm going to still use this for this part. Okay. I hope you've done yours. I'm going to place this beside where I finish the drawing. You see, this is where I finish the drawing, and this is where I finish this other part. So I'll just try to draw as if I want to draw a circle again. You can decide to draw the entire circle in case you don't understand, so you don't think, okay, let me see. You see, this is how it goes. And then to this point also, you see where I stopped my initial drawing. This is where I stopped my initial drawing, so I'm going to also start from that point to draw my circle. So you see how it looks like. I know you'll be wondering, what is she trying to do? I'm going to measure 2 centimeters from where we drew this. From this point upward, we are going to measure 2 centimeters. Just 2 centimeters. And this is where our 2 centimeter ends. So we are going to place this same circle at that point and try to curve it. You see how it looks like? Now I'm going to try to trim this out, and you find out that our back pattern is ready. So just follow how I trim it. Follow me carefully on how I am trimming mine. Some people will be wondering, how did she get this? This is one of the simplest way of finding it out. You can see it's looking like the back pattern. Now you just need your strap. You just need to add your strap to it. I hope you can see it. You can see how it looks like.
Yes, I'm sure you have enjoyed that tutorial on how to create that back pattern. I want us to know that our intermediate class is already on, so we are not actually admitting any more people into that particular class. So if you love to join our waiting list, please let me know in the comment section. Basically, what we are going to be learning is how to create patterns, how to create upper. So many people have come to me talking about having difficulties creating different patterns. I'm going to be exposing us to unique technique of actually seeing a design and being able to interpret it and create it ourselves, with or without a shoe last. I'm going to be showing you samples of what the students, it's just a week and they're already doing amazing work in that class. They are already creating designs. I'm sure so many of them never thought they could actually create that. So if you are actually in this category, you felt, oh, my pattern, I'm not getting it right, or I'm not getting the upper two right, I am lasting the positioning, I always not correct, when I last is too small, I just know that I need help in this direction. I need you to join the waiting list. Don't forget that I'm just going to be admitting 10 people into a class. I already have some few people in the waiting list already. So if you want to join, I would suggest you just go ahead now and let me know in the comment section. You can see the picture of what it's being created with the foot, not with shoe last. See you next time. Bye.